how to switch account on Instagram on iOS or iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can switch account easily on Instagram on iPhone or iOS device. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to simply open up your Instagram application, and there you'll be logged into your account. Right now what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen here. Once you do so, you shall get an interface like this. On your profile, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen beside the plus icon. Once you tap on it here, you should get various options. You want to simply tap on the very first option, settings and privacy. Now once here, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below. You can either tap on logout option or you can simply tap on add account option, and here you can see once you tap on add account option, you can see log on to existing account or create new account. Now in order to switch account, what you want to do is first you want to tap on log on to existing account, then you want to add in another account here, enter in your email and password that you want to switch account to. Once you do so, here you'll be logged into that account. Now every time you come here on login, you'll be able to see your different profiles here once you have added them, and you can simply tap on them and you'll be able to switch them. So this way you can switch account on Instagram on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.